Do you like a bourbon sour?
Do you like it fancy?
Oop.
Intro.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem.
I think I'd say that all as one word.
Just your boy Joey.
Bob
It's your boy Joey.
had a baby, it's a boy. Remember that commercial?
Bacon, egg, cheese. Bacon, egg, cheese.
And today on Brew Broz, we're going to be making a fancy bourbon sour.
Are we really? And we're going to make it fancy with Weller.
Make sure you check out a review video on Weller down in the description below and above Kareem's head.
And make sure you check out any links that we might have.
We got several coming up.
Yes.
It's a crazy day. So let's get started on our bourbon sour. So to make our bourbon sour, you're going to need 4 simple ingredients. All our cocktails, we try to make it as easy as possible, so we don't try to make it with too much ingredients going on. So you're going to need your favorite bourbon. You're going to need egg white. You're going to need lemon juice and some kind of sweetener, either simple syrup or agave, whichever you prefer. Let's get started with the recipe. First things first, with your bourbon, you're going to need 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Today, we're using Weller Special Reserve.
Fancy.
Now, once again, because it's me and Kareem, I'm going to be making this with 4 ounces. Oh, you know, I didn't bring the top. Oh, well.
We'll work with what we have.
Because even though the alcohol is fancy, we're not some fancy people like that.
We like to drink.
Okay, once again, that's 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Then you're going to get your organic lemon juice or whatever lemon juice you have. And we're going to do 1 ounce of this. Grab your sweetener. Keep in mind, some sweeteners are sweeter than others. But with simple syrup, you're going to need 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Oh, fumble. Now for the egg white portion, today I decided to buy actual egg whites in a thingy, right? Normally what I would do is I get an egg, crack it open, separate the yolk from the egg white and pour it in. But then I'm over here sucking down raw egg yolk because I have nowhere to throw it away.
Nobody's got time for that.
So today I'm actually going to be using this. And 1 egg is actually 1 ounce of egg white. So we're going to just pour 1 ounce of egg white.
Oh, that looks gross.
It does look gross. That's so cool. So we're going to do what's called a dry shake first. Now, my own little tidbit here, I actually like to do a dry shake with the strainer. So if you didn't know, you take your strainer, you could actually remove the coil here, right? And I'm going to put that directly into the shaker. I'm going to close that up a little bit, and I'm going to shake it just like this. Hopefully this doesn't explode on me.
Like it normally does.
Yeah, I don't get why that happens. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not shaking it hard. But for some reason, it just likes to explode on me. Okay. So we did the dry shake. We'll see, that was pressurized.
Yeah.
Too. Look at that. That could have exploded right in my face. Imagine just egg just all over.
With all that egg on your face.
Now, once you take out the strainer part, it is going to be a little gooey. Oh, fumble.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little gooey, so watch out where you put this, okay? So then we're going to do the wet shake. So I'm going to grab a couple ice cubes, throw that in here, close the top. I'm so nervous to shake this now. So hopefully this doesn't blow up in my face. I can already hear it. You can hear the liquid. It got thicker as I was shaking it. So now we're going to get our fancy ice. And we actually have an ice mold. We're going to take the block ice out, if I could get it out. Put that directly into our glass right here. This is more of like a medium-sized ice cube. And we're going to pour out our drink. Let's see if it has the foam.
Look at that. Pretty.
Color looks nice and smooth. Looks blended very well.
Almost like a smoothie.
You think so?
Yeah.
And a little bit of the extra foam on top. You see that? Might be hard to see on camera, but there's definitely a layer of foam at the top of our drinks.
So would we call this a sour, or would we call it a flip?
Yes. I think I actually call it both because it's a sour based on the fact that we use the lemon juice, but it's a flip because we use the egg whites. So I'm dare to say it's both. It's considered a sour and a flip, or maybe there isn't. I don't know. Yes.
So not all sours are flips, and but all flips are sours.
Something like that. You know what? I don't know if all flips are considered sours because there might be other types of flips that don't have sour ingredients in it. So maybe we got to do a little deep dive
on flips.
On flips. Let us know down in the comments below if you like a good flip. Let's get started, or let's taste our bourbon sours. And here we have our bourbon sours. Let's take a look. First things first, the color that you see, it's not the deep color of the bourbon.
Really, it's really light.
It is really light. I think it's muted because of the egg white. You see the top layer of foam has a little bit of a head of the egg white.
Also, I would like, sour is one of my favorite drinks.
So Kareem might be a little biased on this one, but let's try it out.
Cheers.
Oh, sniff test, sniff test.
You get that bourbon.
But it's light.
Yes.
Right? Probably because all the ingredients mixed together give it a lighter smell. It doesn't have that heavy alcohol smell.
Citrus.
Mm-hmm. Taste test.
Here. Yeah.
So, good choice on the Weller.
Yeah.
With this one. I like the flavor better than... We made a tequila flip, so that might be a future video. But then we decided to try the Weller instead.
Yeah, this is good.
How is it on the sweetness scale?
Just right.
Okay. So Brew Broz scale 1 to 5, Kareem, what do you give our bourbon sour? Flip.
I would give it 4.6.
Ooh, 4.6. Edging up to that 5.
Edging.
Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think of Kareem's score.
Also, make sure you hit the notification bell. Get notified on our next video because we have some surprising alcohols that we're going to put up against each other.
Oh, that's right. I almost forgot about that. This is a smooth flavor.
So smooth.
We may have to buy carton egg whites instead of actual egg whites from now on because it's just so much easier to use.
Yeah.
You
don't have to crack an egg, worry about the yolks. You just pour out the egg whites.
It just looks gross when you do it.
It does.
Almost a bit seminal.
But it's the same with the actual egg.
Very true. Make sure you like, share, comment,
and subscribe
to hear Brew Broz and also Brew's anime reviews.
We'll be trying out maybe one new episode or two. And we're also going to have a debate on Brew anime reviews. So be on the lookout for that.
Ooh.
And on that note,
peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
Yeah, I gotta be like the messy, like the messiest bartender. I'm so glad I didn't get that on me.
wasn't ready. All right.
I don't even know why it's that funny. Did it get me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't get. Oh no. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, maybe a little bit. Okay. Oh, we could be debating on the on Brews enemies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not?